Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's Atif with the lecture number 5 of basic networking. Today we'll discuss the protocols. What is meant by a protocol in computer networks? In the networking world, what is protocol? We have discussed only one slide in the last lecture, that protocol are the standards, rules and regulations of communication between computers. They are the rules and the regulations of communication between computers. Try to focus on these two words, the rules. What is meant by a rule? That what are the constraints? What are the prerequisites? What are the predefined procedures? These are the rules and regulations. What should we follow and what should not we do? What we cannot do. These are the rules and the regulations. Or for what? Whether these are the rules and regulations of talking between two people? No. They are the rules and the regulations of communication between computer systems. Every device that is on the network follows some rules and regulations. And if two devices on a computer network will not follow the same protocols, same rules and regulations, they cannot communicate with each other. There is an human example as well can fit on this scenario, that I am talking in English and you cannot understand English. You can only understand, suppose, Russian. So whenever I will talk to you, I should talk to in Russian, or my listener, the person to whom I am saying something, he should understand the English. These are the protocols as well. If the protocols will not be the same, the communication will not occur. So the protocol between computer systems will remain same. If a computer is talking with another computer that is situated in USA or UK, the protocol for the both computers should be same. Otherwise they cannot communicate with each other. The protocol define the rules and regulation. Protocol assign unique ID, unique identity number to any computer to make that computer uniquely all over the world or in the network. Protocol tell the computer system how to communicate with the others. Protocol also define the access methods as well. Sometime after some debates, long debates, I used to say that Ethernet is also a protocol because it assign MAC address. It have an access method. So these are the rules and regulations by the Ethernet. So what I think, Ethernet is also a protocol that is embedded in a hardware device. So that can be a hardware protocol. So the protocol, the final thing is, the protocols are the rules and regulations of communication. Next, there are two basic types of protocol that we are going to discuss today. It's a short lecture, not very long one. One is routable protocols. These routable protocols can use on internet. We can use these protocols on internet. These are the large scale protocols, have very strong capabilities of communication. So we can use them in LAN as well, but they are very intelligent protocols and are suitable for internet. But we use routable protocols on LAN as well. They are highly scalable protocols. Just like a very famous protocol that I am going to talk about, that is TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. It will be not wrong if I say that TCP/IP is the backbone of network world and internet. Without TCP/IP, there is no concept of network or internet. Internet is only standing on the shoulders of TCP/IP. We will discuss TCP/IP protocol in detail, inshallah. The next, another routable protocol is IPX/SPX. This is the protocol IPX/SPX by Novell. They are using this protocol on internet, but the most famous protocol of internet and the routable is TCP/IP. Next, Non-routable protocols. Non-routable protocols can only work on local area network. They are small scale protocols. We cannot use these protocols over the internet. They are not capable of communicating between devices on the internet networks. So an example of this type of protocol is NetBEUI. NetBEUI. It is of Microsoft protocol and platform dependent. Microsoft computers clients can communicate with each other using these protocols. When I remember when we were when we used to make Windows 95 or 98's LANs, we were there using NetBEUI protocols. It was a good protocol to communicate between Microsoft computers, but it's not a large scale protocol. Whenever we try to connect on internet, we are again moving to TCP/IP. These are the non-routable protocols. So in next session we will discuss TCP/IP. TCP/IP is a routable protocol used on internet. We will inshallah continue this TCP/IP session in the next one. So summarize today's discussion. Protocol are the rules and regulations of communication. Done. This is it. There are two types of protocol. One is routable. We can use those protocols over the internet as well as in LAN. But there is another protocol family that are non-routable, and non-routable protocols are those that we could only use on local area network. TCP/IP is a routable software protocol, and we'll discuss that in next lecture. Thank you very much for viewing me. Allah Hafiz.